Okay everyone, so now we are going to learn the storage class extern with the help of the program. So first of all, I am making a program where I am not using the extern variable. So this is the command. Now hash include conio.h, which is console output header file for clear screen and getch functions. Then hash include stdio.h, which is standard output header file for printf and scanf functions. Void main. Now clear screen printf/n for the new line, current value %dx. Now whenever we are going to take this x, compiler will check out that is it available in this particular function. No, it is not available. Compiler will go above and check, is it available there? Again, not available, because we know that we usually declare the global variables on the top of the main function, just like here int x, but this is not declared. You can see that in this program we are using a global variable at the bottom. It is declared but compiler cannot see it. The reason is that compiler used to check on the top. It is not having any idea about the down declared variable. Similarly, we have seen the functions. If we are declaring the function at the bottom, we have to give the prototype on the top. Similarly, here it is not finding any value. It will say error undefined symbol x, because compiler is not able to see this x. So here we have learned that although we have declared a global variable and define it, what is declaration? Int x is the declaration, x is equal to 10 is the definition. So we have declared and defined the global variable. It is global because it is outside the main. Anything outside the main is global. But even compiler is not able to see that. Yes, there is one solution. I can take out this and declare on the top. It will work. But I want to use the extern keyword, and with the help of that I will see how we can modify the program. So the same program we are working with the help of the storage class extern, or we can say that using the external variable. So hash include conio.h, hash include stdio.h. Now this one is the main function, and here we have declared int x is equal to 10. So int x is the declaration, x is equal to 10 is the definition. So this is the global variable we have declared and defined. But below the main, we know that if I define on the top of main, then there is no problem, but below the main, compiler will not automatically see it. Now coming inside extern int x, by using this extern keyword or extern storage class, we are indicating that somewhere outside this integer x is defined. Now clear screen printf/n current value %d taking from x. Now this x compiler will search above inside the main, and it will find that yes, it is available externally. So it is going to check above, not find, and again going down. Externally means it will check both places. So here it will find that it is available. So the value 10 is fetched and displayed. So current value is 10. Again the next line will execute printf/n the new line, enter new value. So message on the user screen, enter the new value. User has entered 22. Now scanf %d address of x. Now add the address of x means this value we are going to change with the new value, that is 22. printf/n new value %dx. So this x is taken and displayed, and the value of x is 22. So this 22 is displayed, new value 22, and get ch4 holding the screen. Now we can access this x inside the function main, although we have declared at the bottom because of the extern, and this extern is the external variable, or we can say that it is the storage class. So that is very much beneficial.